This time, I'm going to share to you one of the most important aspect in any business that could dramatically bring tremendous growth for your business. What do you think is that? What do you think is that? Diba, we have a lot of aspects of business, may product or service, diba, may location, mga ganon, yung ano pa bang isang yung the way you operate, diba? What do you think is one of the most important aspect in any business na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng really growth? Okay? Mayroong mga nagko-comment. Let me see. Kung mayroon bang tamang sagot. Ayan. Added value. Ayan. Okay. Sige. Review lang para at least I believe that isa sa mga pinaka-importanting bagay sa isang negosyo is the marketing strategy. Okay? There are lots of businesses right now. A lot of businesses are failing because some of them focus on their products, although nothing wrong naman with that. Or services, di ba? Some of them focuses on paano pagandahin yung kanilang mga yung mga physical locations nila, physical stores nila. But they don't really have a concrete marketing strategy in place. And we really believe na if you have a very good step-by-step marketing strategy, malaki talaga yung maitutulong para sa business mo. Now, what is a marketing strategy? Marketing strategy is a plan of action or process designed to promote a product or service. Yan, that's the very simple presentation or explanation ng marketing strategy. Yung plan of action mo, yung plano mo, yung process mo, designed kung paano mo ipopromote yung product or service mo. Okay? Now, according to the survey being conducted, 24% of businesses does not have any formal marketing strategy in place. So according yan sa survey. Kaya karamihan ng mga negosyo are failing because they don't have really parang konkreto step-by-step marketing strategy in place. And if your business is on in the online right now, if you are transitioning sa online na marketing, if you don't have a marketing strategy, parang medyo mahirap sa you to succeed because every day 4.6 billion pieces of content are being published online every day. So if you don't have a concrete plan, concrete marketing strategy, di ba? Malulula ka nun. If you're just using yung parang kesera-sera, whatever will be yung kind of strategy. So mahirap yung ganun. So you really have a marketing strategy. Now this time, I'm going to share to you some elements. Ano ba yung mga elements na dapat andon sa isang marketing strategy? Would you like to know? Gusto niyo malaman? I have researched 8 elements na pwedeng or dapat andyan talaga siya for your marketing strategy to be parang mas effective. Okay? Number 1 is you have to have the market research. Importante ito, dapat mag-research ka talaga sa market. This is required so that you will be able to determine yung buying habits ng target audience mo, the market size, the potential growth, as well as the current trends sa market or sa industry na kung saan ka ngayon. So, very important yung market research. Number 2, after you've done your market research, okay, you have to identify your target market. Okay? Kasi it has been proven that time and time again that when you are marketing to everyone, you are marketing to no one. So you really have to identify kung sino talaga yung target market mo. Kami, when we started this digital marketing agency, we really identify kung sino yung mga target market namin. And our target market are businesses, okay? Yung mga negosyo, yung mga mayroong mga negosyo. Yan. You really have to identify that. Kasi ngayon, 'di ba? May mga advertising ngayon sa TV, sa radio, 'di ba? Lahat, although kahit napkin, lahat parang ina-advertisean mo kahit hindi siya target market mo, yung ganung bagay. And then you really have to research about your competitor. Kami, we really research a lot about our competitor before we started this digital marketing. We'll share more about that later. Okay? And then another is positioning. Anong ibig sabihin ng positioning? Hindi na yung location. When you say positioning, actually ito branding. Okay? What do you want your target market want them to perceive you? Anong gusto niyang maging tingin nila sa iyo? Okay? What do you want them to perceive you as a business? Kami ang kind of business na gusto naming makilala kami sa buong Pilipinas, yung business namin is we give parang value based business. We give value first and we focus on the ROI of our clients. That's how we would like to be perceived by our clients. Okay? Later on, we will share to you some of our yung mga tao na kausap na namin kung ano yung tingin nila sa amin, ano yung mga reviews nila sa amin. And of course, the marketing strategy. The marketing strategy itself, okay? This is the most important and the most exciting part of a marketing strategy. This will outline how exactly you will attract your most likely buyers. Ano ba yung mga strategy mo? Ano ba yung mga tactics, mga techniques, okay? Kung nasa digital marketing world ka, pwede yung mga email marketing, social media marketing, content marketing, and so on and so forth. Yan. So dapat ma-identify mo rin yan. Okay? Then you have to identify also kung ano mga marketing tools mo. Kung online ka, there are lots of tools in the internet that you can use so that you can really implement your marketing strategy effectively and efficiently. Okay? And then, ito, very important din, marketing budget. Okay? That's why a lot of businesses are failing because akala nila pag may nakapwesto na sila, may maganda yung product nila or services and they have great passion, they have parang the will to really succeed. Akala nila importante din, but actually importante din yung marketing budget, especially if you are doing your business, if you want to transition online. We will talk more about that later. And then kailangan mo rin ng mayroon kang measurement. Kailangan mo ma-measure yung entire process mo, yung marketing success mo so that you can adjust with your goals, with your strategy, and so on and so forth. So yan, importante itong mga elements of marketing strategy. Don't worry, kung gusto niyo ng detalye nito, actually, yung binigay namin na first ebook sa inyo at the start of this presentation, andun ito lahat, okay?